This week we have for you the second of our festive cakes of the month, everyone's favorite and a must on Christmas, the rum cake. Hello and welcome back to J&J's Food Basket. The rum cake, also called fruit cake or spiced rum fruit cake, is traditionally a holiday dessert, especially served and shared for Christmas. For this recipe, you will find the list of ingredients along with links to where I picked mine in the description box below. Let's get cooking. The rum cake is full of raisins and other dry fruits and flavored with spiced rum to keep us warm during the holiday season. In fact, what is Christmas without eggnog and a rum cake? The trick is in mixing everything in parts instead of all at once. I'm making a few mini loaves of the cake using this batter to share with family and friends. So that was another quick video taking you step by step through a very easy and very tasty recipe using ingredients available in your own kitchen. Do try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to J&J's Food Basket. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest at J&JS Food Basket. Have a great weekend ahead.